prepare chicken tikka. Required ingredients: to marinate 300 grams boneless chicken, 3/4 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon kashmiri chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon lemon juice. For making tikka masala paste, 1 tablespoon Bengal gram flour, 1/4 cup curd, 1 teaspoon kashmiri chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 3/4 teaspoon salt, 3/4 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1/2 teaspoon garam masala powder, 2 tablespoon mustard oil, 1 tablespoon oil. Take chicken in a bowl, add kashmiri chilli powder, ginger garlic paste, salt and lemon juice and mix well. Set aside for marination. Heat oil in a pan. Add gram flour and stir well. Add enough water to make paste consistency. Take curd in a bowl, add the flour mixture and mix well. Add ginger garlic paste, salt, kashmiri chilli powder, garam masala powder and turmeric powder. Mix well together. Add 2 tablespoons of mustard oil and stir well. Toss the marinated chicken pieces with the flour mixture and set aside for 2 hours. Now prepare the barbecue stove. Light the charcoal and allow it to blaze freely until the flames die down. This can take 20 to 30 minutes. After 2 hours, use a sharp skewer to pierce each piece of chicken and build a star. Leaving enough gap in between each piece. Skewer all the chicken pieces and apply little oil over the pieces. Place the skewer on top of grill. Turn the skewer during cooking to allow all sides to cook evenly. Brush little oil over the chicken pieces whenever you turn the skewer. Remove the tikka from grill when done. Serve with mint coriander chutney.